Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Oculus Quest 3 step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Oculus Quest 3 is fully charged. Unpack the device and locate the power button. Press and hold the power button until you see the Oculus logo. Put on your headset to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by entering your password. Once connected, the headset will check for updates. If an update is available, allow it to download and install. After the update, you'll be prompted to put on the headset again. Select your play area boundaries by choosing a standing or room scale option. Using your controllers, outline your available play space. Ensure your area is clear of obstacles for a safe experience. Next, pair your controllers by pressing the Oculus and menu buttons simultaneously. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Once paired, you will see an overview of your headset's features. Sign in to your Oculus account or create a new one if needed. Explore the home environment and familiarize yourself with the menu. Customize your settings by accessing the Settings menu. Adjust your volume, preferences, and other options as needed. Now, it's time to install apps or games from the Oculus Store. Search for the desired apps using the search function. Select an app and choose to download or purchase it. Wait for the app to install, then access it from your library. To enhance your experience, consider adjusting headset fit and comfort. Try different straps or facial interfaces to find the best fit. Once you're comfortable, dive into your VR experiences. Enjoy exploring the virtual worlds available on Oculus Quest 3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.